Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Backup contacts and enable Samsung or Google Cloud Sync so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure you know your Wi-Fi name, password, and carrier account details. With battery above 20% or plugged in, open Settings, tap General Management, then choose Reset. This gets you directly to the Reset Network Settings option. You do this now to clear connectivity issues while preserving apps and personal files. You now execute the reset. Tap Reset Network Settings and read the summary so you know what will change. When prompted, enter your lock screen PIN or password to confirm, then tap Reset Settings to start. This action removes saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth pairings, mobile data preferences, and VPN settings so the phone can rebuild fresh connections. Make sure you understand that you will need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords, and once the reset completes, you should reboot the phone and reconnect to Wi-Fi, entering passwords and re-pairing Bluetooth devices. Make sure mobile data and calling work. If not, check and update the APN settings from your carrier's recommendations because resetting can clear provisioning. If problems persist, try toggling airplane mode or perform an APN reset, and if that fails, contact your carrier for network provisioning. This single troubleshooting step often resolves lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.